In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Microsoft Loop. So in order to add emojis right here, what we can do is we first need to head over right there into our actual website, which is loop.cloud.microsoft. From in there, you should be able to see in here this page. So for this, proceed to click onto this Get Started option in order to create an account, or you can also click onto this Sign In option. If you already have an account on your Microsoft Word or your OneDrive, you can proceed to use that right here as well because they are all interconnected. Let's proceed to sign in right here in order to open our account. Now here is my actual Microsoft Loop and I have in here my page. So in order to add emoji, you can actually add emojis onto the actual pages. As you can see, I have in here this project planning and we have in here this diamond emoji. Now I also want to do that on my database page. To do this, head over and click onto this add icon. And then from in there, just choose right here the emoji that you wish to use. So let me head over and choose one. Let's head over and choose this icon of robot. And as you can see, the emoji has now been added. You can just start typing something and clicking on this plus icon in order to insert some more fields. So if you're wondering if you can insert emojis onto the actual option right here or the actual text, you can see right here under the communication we have emoji picker. So click onto that and from in there just choose the emoji that you want added. Now as you can see we can also add an emoji onto the actual body as well as the actual icon for our page right here. You can just proceed to type right here however you want. And then from in there you can just save the changes that you have made. So that's all there is today and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.